Hello. So we are going to demo your Slinky Lab since you are no longer in class with us this week. So the materials you need are a Slinky. Perfect. A meter stick. Perfect. And a pencil, but you're going to use your computer instead. The purpose of this lab is to study the types of waves and their properties using a Slinky. So we've had a PowerPoint and we've learned about some waves and some properties of waves. Now we're going to use a Slinky to talk more about it. Your procedure. We're going to read the whole procedure because that's what we do. Select a lab partner. Will you be my lab partner?
Absolutely.
Thank you. And gather the lab materials. We already did that. On a smooth floor, stretch the Slinky out between you and your partner to a length of about 4 meters. Okay, so we're going to need 4 meters and we're going to have to stretch out our Slinky. We're going to send a single wave to your partner. So just like it says below, it says see below. So I'm going to send a single wave like this, just one, to Miss Barton. And it says, observe what happens to the wave when it reaches your partner's end. So it's going to hit her end, but she's not going to move. We're just going to observe what happens after. And then 5 is when we move to a different wave. So we're going to start with 2 through 4. And we'll give you multiple types of visuals. So we'll bring the camera closer and further away. Let's go ahead and make this a big video for use. Okay. Use.
That's about 3 meters.
Okay. All right. So yeah, you can see the wave pretty well. So I'm going to send a single wave up and down, and we're going to watch what happens. It's going to go to her end, and then something's going to happen. So I'm going to go. We're going to get a little closer to the Slinky just to make sure you can see exactly what's happening. Okay.
You can see it there.
Beautiful. Okay, so we've showed you that, and that was in our procedure. Let's move this video around. That was 2 through 4. Okay, we observed the reflected wave, so whatever came back to me. 5, move one end of the Slinky back and forth on the floor repeatedly. That's not a very good image, actually. Does it mean, it looks like this, but I'm assuming it means like this, right? See diagram below. Observe what happens as you vary the rate at which your hand moves or vibrates. I do think it's like that, yeah.
I'm gonna get some more slack.
Okay. Yes, because we're still looking at the same type of wave. It does want us to go like this. So we're going to be moving back and forth like this. Okay. Not towards and from my body. Instead of up and down, it's side to side. Okay. Observe what happens as you vary the rate at which your hand moves. So this is step 5. So the rate at which my hand moves. So if I go slow or fast, you can really see these going through here. Slow, right? Here, I'll do big ones, slow and fast. Oh, faster. Slow, fast. Pretty. How fun. Okay, that was 5. Now it says, next, create a series of waves by moving your hands towards and away from your partner. See diagram below. So I'm going to push and pull. Observe this wave and how it travels. Okay, so we're going to observe this wave. So it might be a little hard to see. We might need to make them like pull more so that it's tighter, like grab more slack. Yeah. Yeah, that'll probably be good. Okay, so if I pull away, it stretches out, and then I'm going to push. Okay, let's see closer on that. So I pulled away. I'm going to push. Maybe you try towards me. Yeah. I'm gonna give it a little more slack. Oh, that was good. Yeah, perfect. So another way we could look at this, because it worked pretty well when I did this. So if I pull all this, I'm creating a compression, right? I'm compressing this right here, but I'm pulling it away, so it's also a stretch. And if I let that go, you can see it go through the spring. Okay? And then you're supposed to answer the questions. It's not on the answer sheet. It's going to be in your Google form. Enjoy.